How to remove explicit from Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can extract explicit content from Spotify. Social networks as well as streaming services are increasingly occupied by explicit content. Many people do not want to participate in such topics and often look for a way to distance themselves from it. Spotify, like all other platforms, followed the trend and offers the option to remove such content. How do we activate it? Open your Spotify app. When Spotify opens, tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. From the small menu that opened, we will select the Settings and Privacy option. In the settings of our Spotify, we can find various options. However, we need the one hidden behind the Content Preferences section. When you find it, tap on it. In this window, simply tap on the switch to turn off all explicit content. In this way, we will distance ourselves from all explicit content and be able to consume content that is not. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spotify tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.